Hello everyone, this is Shreyas Ramesha. Today we are gonna see how to use Texas Institute microcontroller. So as you can see here, this is a Series C microcontroller and you can see the series name, it is TM4C123G, and you can also see the details over here, what is required and what processor it is using. It's an ARM Cortex M4 32-bit processor with 80 MHz. The full name here you can see is TM4C123GXL PMI. First, you need to go to Texas Institute website. Here you'll be going to the CCS Studio, Code Composer Studio. This is the Code Composer where you will be able to code and flash the program or the projects into the microcontroller. So we are gonna see the version 12. So my system is Windows and I'll be going to download this. So after downloading, I have downloaded. So after downloading, it will be in a zip file. So you need to unzip it. Yeah. Now go into the file and you'll find this CCS setup. So this is the process of installation. You do accept that. First step. So we're gonna quickly accept the agreement. So do read the agreement over here. It's a quite lengthy agreement. So this is the place where the installation will be done. You can either select, but make sure it is in the C drive. Keep it under custom installation. This is the one which is recommended. Go to next one. So here we no need to select multiple chips. So as I've already told, we are using this ARM controlled M4 processor. So we'll be only selecting this to program and install. Here you no need to change anything. Just click next. 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 So the installation process has been started. We'll skip and I'll go to the final stage of installation. So once after the installation is done, you will come to this page. So here you need to make sure all the checkboxes are clicked and finish the installation. Here it is asking us to create a folder where everything will be put in. So this is the folder as you can see here. So we'll name it as workspace 2025. So this step is creating an empty folder in the C drive where it will be accessing. So whenever you are launching the CCS code composer, so you need to browse this folder and launch it. So that is when the CCS code will be able to access all your projects or any code written into its workspace. So here, so this is how the interface looks. To create a new project, you have to go to the projects and new CCS project. Here you need to select the C series as already seen. This is a C series microcontroller. This 123GH6 PM. So it's written here TM4C123GH6 PM. So select it. The connection which we are dealing is Stellars. So just click this and you can give your project name and start with empty assembly project only. So this is how you actually create a project. But if you already have a project written coded, so I'll show you how to. I have a example project, so I'll show you how to quickly fast that project into the microcontroller. So all you need to do is go to the folder which you have created. So it's in user. So this is the workspace folder which is being created. So here you need to copy and paste the experiment 1 starter folder. So you can see a folder is successfully created and we have inserted the experiment folder or the project folder. So once that is done, if you go to the CCS code composer, here go to project and import CCS projects. Here browse your folder, then select the experiment 1 starter folder, select and finish. Now you can see in the project explorer our project has been imported. Now all you need to do is build the project. So to build, you can right click it and go to build project, or there is a tool with a hammer symbol. So this also shows you a quick shortcut for building the project. So the project is been built. So as you can see here, it is saying build finished and there is no errors. So to flash this project, you need to click this thing. So first you need to connect your module or the microcontroller debug device. So keep it in debug, connect the type C in the top corner which says debug, and this is for device. So always when you're flashing the code or coding the microcontroller, you need to connect the connector to the debug and keep it to debug. So now this is done. Now you need to flash the code. To flash code, here you can see there's a small green bug symbol which is like debugging. So click on that and it is gonna flash. So this example code has been successfully flashed into the memory. So this code, actually what you can see here is the end goal of this project or this sample starter is to blink the blue LED every once in a second. So as you can see here, currently the program has been flashed. So you need to reset the program and there you go. You can see we disconnected and connected. Now the program has been flashed and the program is running. The desired output, you can stop the program. So it's already flashed. So now if you close the program or the thing, but still the memory what is there in the microcontroller, it has the code in it. So whenever you power it on, so the program will be running. So as you can see here, the blue light, LED light, is flashing every once in a second. So that is it. So that's how it is easy for you to code and flash into this Texas Institute microcontroller. Thank you.